Today I would like to talk about accident on another Jinx vessel from our fleet. I know at least three accidents, serious accidents that happened on that vessel. I investigated two of those, and the one that I want to talk about happened many years ago. And the ship in China, in Shanghai, loaded 600 tons of magnesium compound, destination United States. This magnesium compound was used in industrial processes for sulfur removal, container of 89% of pure magnesium. Magnesium is known to release hydrogen mixed with water. So they loaded that cargo in cargo hold number one, and they sailed from Shanghai. They still had to call Qingdao. While sailing through Yellow Sea, they were on a collision course with another vessel coming from port side. And second mate was on the bridge. Instead of turning to starboard, he turned to port and collided with another vessel. He claimed later that he had some fishing boats on starboard side. The other vessel sank from this collision with the whole crew. Only two crew members were rescued by crew from our vessel. And around 4 hours after the collision, chief mate was forward inspecting what is happening. The ship was taking water into cargo hold number one when the explosion happened. What triggered it, we don't know. Could have been lighting that was not reactivated in cargo hold number one. Could be anybody switch on ventilation or pump, or even spark from chief mate's walkie-talkie. The explosion was so powerful that hedge cover weighing many tons flew above the bridge, and chief mate was never seen again. The cargo was approved for the ship transportation based on a lab test, and it was accompanied by a certificate. The lab test was done with fresh water. Actually, when you mix this magnesium compound with fresh water, it emits hydrogen and magnesium hydroxide, which is forming protective layer and slows down the process and release of hydrogen. However, when the same reaction is repeated with seawater contains salts and ions, especially chloride, that disrupt this process. And this magnesium hydroxide is dissolved, and then the reaction is much faster, releasing 17 times more hydrogen than the other one. So it is the second time I am talking about certificate accompanying cargo that you cannot really trust completely, because the other one was falsified. This one was legit, but done improperly. So be always careful when you inspect. The crew was definitely not aware that it was that dangerous.